It's here for Miss Bell finally we release the charts via a track. Say indeed, na one Sofo Elisha, Prince Elisha, was share a year if you was snigger and it was telling come no. We release the charts via na a track. Say one day will be a train come on. Now it's here for charts now Miss Bell a release, you know. Ne credit me the better baby a eda. Say munya mo hu pictures no charts ne hu pictures a eda mo screen so. Na me de ne credit senya me din kan no. Me de ne credit ebe to baby a eda. Na we will analyze this the right way. Yes, Miss Bell has released the chart. Na chart no we share the very first screenshot of Miss Bell e release here. Say bubehu but me pese me share se menya caption of Miss Bell me read the Miss Bell ne caption and me reading the caption ni we are na ya ko chat ni mu and then we will analyze it. We will be extremely fair into say oh has na wuti just take on and state by us. We will be extremely fair. Asem no baby a eda no ye de be den ye de beto na wo bia enya ne side ede ayeden ede akasa na se wo nim de esi ya. Let me just give you a summary. Into no if you ask nigga echo osofo bi ho a friend of Pastor Elisha na ankofo friend Vigizuga na sofo because no man come shefa Vigizuga ho na if you ask nigga call na sofo ne trend say if you ask nigga na nanfofo mienu bi boba ne obema bi asisi awone obo enye nanfofo bi no ma yo ma je so mbe so mu kum fi aso asnika no nti obi aka se Miss Bell ene na natonado no sofo yi kana asem na eno na Miss Bell ba bonti a Miss Bell betre se sa sofo yi kra wo ye fake because sofo yi a plan se wone ono Miss Bell ebe ye fake prophecy pen Miss Bell am pene what ya say Miss Bell say initially wo pene ya sofo ne ka so obema ne 10,000. But later na sofo ne the more things keka na Miss Bell ka say wonu they want to be enye itino yanko ensem ne so asema Miss Bell kan was say seriously it really beats my imagination how people like this are using the name of Jesus and the Bible to confidently and comfortably lie and create chaos and still walk around freely. Where is the power of Jesus? Out of respect for a couple of influential pastors, that is all I will share for now. Asema Miss Bell kind of said this is all she will actually share for now. Now let's go straight into the screenshots. Now in the very first screenshot, wa ushe dinya Miss Bell was store pastor ni dinya. Miss Bell has store ni din fake pastor. You can't tell for sure say it is Pastor Elisha and now any Pastor Elisha. No based on that no send me din ganjero no will be extremely fair. Any analysis I hear you be very fair. The very first screenshot Osha Miss Bell a store a din fake pastor and the very first screenshot no Osha it started from somewhere but baby a Miss Bell ama yehu no I think location Miss Bell on only location be I was sending my pastor no and a pastor no sending the flyer na the crane so flyer na pastor no sending no what's your date now 24th November which is last month na what's your flyer na pastor no sending ya obehu ne say pastor no ne pictures ni ana ni mfoni pastor ni mfoni Pastor Elisha yi ni mfoni was a flyer ne so and idea watro and say my dearest friend the program is today and I can't wait to see you. Naturally say was see the program is today but from the charter Miss Bell e dey abetu onima ye hwe no ana charter Miss Bell dey abetu onima ye hu no utumi hu ne say wo ma twetwe nkomo about a program bi because so share Miss Bell show the previous chart. Work as a software trying to say plan ye we and the Miss Bell show. But from baby I will show chart no be was say my dearest friend the program brofo was say the program is today no because the program is today and actually say one wo atwetwe program bi ho and now no atwetwe nkomo afa program bi ho munti assembly ye. And when Miss Bell reply and Miss Bell can say awesome but I saw it late. We'll come to the next one. Not as a Miss Bell trying to say, oh, nice. But me who late. but next one and I made meba. The first point we take from this is say Miss Bell has stored the person's name as fake pastor. Until you can't tell for sure say a pastor Elisha no and then you know even for something and for nothing at all no Miss Bell to me has stored as Pastor Prince Elisha by no can a din and why the was store what's up din there say you throw bi coffee now we store ni coffee wo na was store ne sa what you say into obi hu obi fi say dia ni bako na one ne ka say friend ni coffee mi ho na en friend ni coffee it could be a din store ne dia nya asem dia but from the chat no senia will be a send flyer osofo no the picture was so I can say my dearest friend the program is today no we believe say Pastor Prince Elisha no and our name is Bell Church Komo. Now let's go to the second screenshot. Now second screenshot now Miss Bell share it was a screenshot after bloggers share say one more can say if you was nigga no Miss Bell and then an tornado no more person one more than one more kuno. It's a Miss Bell screenshot of ghsplash.com. Omo try categorically say Miss Bell and Tornado wants to poison Ifiashowa na question. Now we just a screenshot no and I was sending this person who is supposedly or this person na Jesus say we pastor no. What I say and I was sending this person na Jesus say we pastor no. Now date I was sending sa nipa kro no 26th November. And I Miss Bell Bisan say, is that you? It's a Miss Bell Bisan say, na Pastor Elisha, na. And a pastor no, and Andy Papa Jesus say, well, Pastor Elisha, and reply no car say, who did this? Which fool did this? Who is Tornado? Is it Stephen Appiah or who? It's a pastor no say, one the control sa headline. Website na say be Jimmy Fo bi na Jimmy Fo be no control sa headline e wo website ne so ana Tornado be ho asem kra no wo mo kan Stephen Appiah ana say ho a na Miss Bell ka tell ne say I have the audio not as a Miss Bell person tell ne say me wo audio no of nsem a wo country if you so as nigga na pastor ni bisa ne say which audio na pastor ne so kan say I am getting crazy not as a pastor ne ka say wo no wo bodam crab because headline now we huno amani buefu. Now there's a third screenshot. Now third screenshot no. Pastor Nechi also said I am getting crazy no. And a Miss Bell replying on Oka say was a fear not at your church. That was a Miss Bell replying the Pakwa is Pastor Elisha Nechi and say if you have a nigga one bawa sorry na. And a pastor no a reply say who am I chatting with? I say one a minute ne airborne komono. And I was answer say yes, Efia was in my church. That is a pastor ni bisa say who am I chatting with? That is a pastor ni person say wo nim only cran na wone no chatting. But we've seen from this same screenshot ne say the pastor was actually chatting with the person. A pastor na sending the bakone flyer can say program no a day we. But just 2 days after no pastor no claim say wo nim the prakwa wone no chatting. But let's go on. Miss Bell answer no catch say Miss Bell obisa say who am I chatting no can Miss Bell and a pastor no reply say and they said I said Miss Bell wanna poison Efia, which nonsense. With the number of enemies Efia has, Miss Bell's name is the one they could guess. Others are chatting me and saying it's delay. Now it's Miss Bell. Why are Ghanaians like this? Are you guys not friends? I am calling the one that invited Efia to church. Iti their worker and they say assemble prophecy way by nkrofo frame me say oh wo munim say ye delay na wo pese wo ye Efia so as nigga sa won so wa ba me say nkrofo kan say eye wo Miss Bell adan na Ghana fo kra ye ti say we ye sofo no na e kasa sa anan oni kra yesu say wo ye Pastor Elisha no na eye den kasa sa na etiefo eho and Miss Bell reply Miss Bell can say honestly if I listen to the audio and it connects to me I won't be quiet. That is a Miss Bell catching and say me tie prophecy na woman if you as nigga no na me din bem and na woman description be a etrese me and I said me person me if you as nigga sa me nyekom me ba bontin abeden abekasa It's not say Miss Bell Airtro Semeba Bontin Abekasano. Not say indeed there was something between this supposed person and Miss Bell. It's saying I'm being control no Miss Bell Aba Bontin at the receipts Aba or Trese. She was indeed chatting with someone, and this person supposedly is the pastor. It's here for. There are few questions I would like to ask on this. Wosha, the first screenshot, no, it was on 24th November. And the second screenshot, no, na 26th November. Now, what I don't get, no, say in the first screenshot, na 24th November, no. Wosha and Sema ne so a pastor ne say no the program flyer. Program no the flyer no pastor no say name Miss Bell no. I don't know. I'm actually confused with this. In a sense, Miss Bell MIT, say I don't know. Say maybe a flyer way a different flyer after Miss Bell and any pastor no. Womunya fallout ni wie say Miss Bell no mba bi na pastor no so sending a different flyer and I said then you and the meaning. Say pastor no sending different flyer after when Indian because Miss Bell MIT as I said during September but WhatsApp chat now you know the first screenshot na show say this happened in 24th November. Inti ebia na bakuna was a Miss Bell ekono na enye enu ni we a different invitation be enough pastor no what dem Miss Bell Miss Bell can say oh I saw it late ebia na ye no inti no that is where I actually wanted to I mean get a clarification but send Miss Bell can was say this is this for now. Not just say for now need the way and why then we release na what person would say enkomo no more ebeba na enkomo no say more ba na why then we release more of this na mo nche mo adwen e wo comment box mo tie for me da say